Hello friends, I am at Icrisat, Hyderabad. So we have developed this big climate change research project. This is open top chamber for CO2 and temperature elevation studies. There are 4 chambers that is being developed here. Chamber 1, chamber 2, chamber 3 and chamber 4. Okay, this chamber is meant for CO2 and temperature elevation studies. One chamber will be used for ambient, one for temperature plus CO2 and another for only CO2. So you can maintain CO2 from 0 to 2000 ppm over here, and fully system is fully automatic and control system. Temperature ambient plus 4 degree temperature you can maintain over here. Now I can take you to the front side of the system. This is the chamber. This is chamber number 1. If I take you inside, this is infrared heating system. This is for sensor. This is for temperature radiation shield, and this is for humidification system. So entire system is made for climate change research. Here plants will be grown over here. So temperature will be maintained ambient plus 5 degree. So based on the crop height, you can do the height adjustment with the sensor height. So this is one chamber, and if I take out, there are similar kind of chamber number 2, 3 and chamber 4. Okay. Now this is one set of experiment you can do over here. This is one more project. There are 2 temperature gradient tunnel here. This is close to 25 meter by 3.5 meter by 3.5 meter height. So one will be treated as a control and one will be for the experiment purpose, the reference and control. If I take inside, this is a big tunnel of 25 meter. So plants will be grown over here across the tunnel. Now there will be a temperature gradient atmosphere to be created inside the tunnel. Now how this temperature gradient atmosphere to be created? Now there is a cellulose pad at the back, there is a cooling pad, and in front you have the fan that is there, and on top of that here there will be heating system arrangement. Now the CO2 will be passed from one direction and the heater will be on and air will be taken out. So when you do that, there will be a temperature sensor, CO2 sensor mounted every 3 meter. So based on the coolant whatever is coming from the cold layer, and gradually when you take air out from another direction, there will be a gradient atmosphere created across the tunnel. And this system is fully automatic. So all temperatures, CO2 data will be recorded and the gradient atmosphere will be shown. Now imagine a situation here. There are 25 meters. Every 3.5 meter there will be a gradient atmosphere, and the temperature variation will be there for 1 degree. Okay. Now if you are going to grow plants over here, so in each temperature zone there will be a variation of plant growth, and in different temperature and different CO2 the plant will be responding and the photosynthesis and other biological activities will be taking place based on the different temperature and different CO2 level. So this project is under development and it will be completed soon. So if I take at the back side, this is the back side of the project. Now if you take it, there are cellulosic pad, there is a cooling system, there is a water circulation. There are two chambers over here, you can see it. This is chamber 1 and chamber 2. So absolutely this is going to be completed. There is a water line, CO2 line across the tunnel. So CO2 supply will be there, water line. There is a CO2 distribution system inside. There is a manifold inside. You can see that is also under development. So there are two chambers, that is for temperature gradient tunnel for experiment for different variety development. Take you the last project what we have developed is the phase system, that is free air CO2 enrichment system, right? This is the system. This is a very complex project. This is basically open ring, and through open ring we are releasing CO2, right? So this is CO2 is been released inside the chamber. So each arm is required CO2 and CO2 purging is taken place. This is again again a very complex system. There are altogether 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arms. Okay, this is the free air CO2 enrichment system. The facility. Now, this is the manifold for CO2 distribution, and this is each arm is going to release CO2 from the nozzle. This is a very sonic nozzle that is being input. Once CO2 comes with high pressure, CO2 will be released. There is an anemometer over here. Anemometer is going to control each arm for releasing and controlling the CO2. So this is the humidity and temperature sensor and anemometer to be mounted over here. So, and this is the control panel. This is the control room. You can see there. From there itself, everything to be controlled. The beauty of the system is totally Wi-Fi control. It's basically wireless operation. So this is the latest technology what we are using for the entire system. So no need of putting wires and everything. We are taking all the signal to the control room and controlling all the parameters what is required for data logging, controlling all options. We are doing it. So we can also put into GSM module and put into mobile also. You can have data access through mobile. There is no issue. So this is a unique kind of an unique project that we have developed for Icrisat. Hope another 15-20 days time this whole system should be operational. I am here today in Hyderabad and just checking what is the progress of work. I hope everything will be done at the earliest and we can hand over to Icrisat. Once again, thank you very much for listening. Bye bye. So hope you have liked our project, and it's a very interesting project. So it's a very knowledge based project. So I always believe the knowledge is power. So this technology is known to many of us. Even Southeast Asia, we are the first company doing such kind of project where technology is involved. So where technology is there, you need to have a lot of understanding, lot of theoretical understanding, theoretical perception, putting everything and giving some kind of modeling job. It is a very tough job. Apparently it looks very easy, but it is very tough job. It has got a lot of mathematical calculation, lot of mathematical inputs while calculating and developing the software, the system development and everything. So we have been doing it for last 13 years. So we have developed close to 50 projects. This is one of the best institute in India, international institute, and I'm happy to serve for the cause of science and betterment of humanity, hunger and poverty, because country is going through a lot of crisis where it's a high time to develop high yielding varieties because of the adaptive conditions, climate change, one of the major and concern, because food security is one of the parameters. There will be a lot of issues, lot of demand and supply issues, lot of scarcity of food in coming days. To mitigate that condition, mitigate that facilities, the deficiencies, we have to have good variety developed which are capable to withstand the high temperature, high CO2 level, so that the proper food supply to be there in coming days. I hope this is what I want to say. So again, I thank you for Genesis Technology, Icrisat, everybody for their kind support and cooperation to develop this big project. There is nothing to say more about this thing. I hope to see you again. Thank you once again. Bye bye.